hot and sunny, and I am sitting with the plant of the week that really loves and actually, in fact, thrives in this hot, sunny heat. This is Moonbeam Coreopsis, grown here at Van Wilgen's, and it is such an amazing flower, a perfect plant for plant of the week for so many reasons. Number one, just like I said, it handles this hot, dry weather with no sweat, and it actually blooms all the way from June all the way into October. There are not many perennial flowers that will do that. That is very impressive. All you have to do is a slight bit of deadheading through the season to really keep those blooms going. It's a nice plant because it kind of stays mounded, but it's not a heavy mound. It really adds this beautiful, light, airy, sort of thread-like texture to any perennial garden, and I always use it. It is a definite go-to in anybody's garden. I went through and I just kind of picked out some plants that I thought would be amazing companion plants for the Moonbeam Coreopsis, but remember, you do what you like. I always say, do what you like. I kind of saw in this Moonbeam Coreopsis a little sort of creamy tone in this yellow, so I wanted to draw that out. And I found this really beautiful butterfly weed. This is actually called Ice Ballet. You don't see the butterfly weed that often in this white creamy color, and I really thought that this, because it's taller than the Moonbeam, could sit behind it and really make a nice backdrop for it. In addition, we've got some other really nice tall plants. This is Pomegranate Achillea. Look at that flower with the Moonbeam. The Moonbeam kind of has a little bit of a reddish eye to me, and I think that pomegranate color really brings that out. And then also, this is Burning Heart Helipsis. Now, it's not even in its full bloom yet, but that's great. Remember, you want succession of bloom in your perennial garden. This will come out a little bit later, but for now, this gorgeous red, sort of purplish stem really enhances the plant of the week. And then, of course, you can't go wrong with grasses. Karley Rose in the back here. Another beautiful panicum, which has like more of this kind of light, airy seed head, which really kind of matches the Moonbeam Coreopsis. Moonbeam Coreopsis, a perfect plant for a sunny, hot, dry space, easy to care for, blooms pretty much all season long. It's a perennial and our beautiful plant of the week. Thanks a bunch.